It's time now for another episode of Canteen Cup Tuesday. Once again, I am your host, Matthew O. Florida Boy, and I'm very happy that you're here. Just a quick update on my shoulder from the last video. If you want to know what happened, I'm not going to go into it. Just click on the last video. You can see I'm not wearing the sling anymore. Shoulder's still really sore. It's going to take quite a bit of rehab, but I'm not going to let it stop me from doing the things that I love, and one of those is Canteen Cup cooking. Okay, so let's get into it. This recipe was suggested by a friend of mine, and his name is Mike, and he actually grew up in Cuba. And he said that one of their daily meals consisted of ground beef, rice, and some kind of beans, normally black beans or sometimes red beans if he was lucky, and with some hot sauce on top. And I said, man, that's right up my alley. That sounds great. He said he was literally brought up on that stuff when he was in Cuba. So we are going to call this Mike's Cuban Surprise. So let's go down and get started. Okay, so let's get into it. Here's what we got to work with today. We got a hamburger. And that's just the old hamburger that I had in my freezer. I don't know how it's going to be. And we got some beans. And we got the Taco Fiesta black beans. And I took some of the sauce out of here. And I'm going to use it to kind of cook the rice and the beans. And I'm going to use about a half a can of this. I got about a half a cup of minute rice. And I got our juice that I got out the can, and I got our Bushcraft spice kit. So let's go. We're gonna put this thing right there, and let's get her cranked up first. I'm using my little gas stove because it's so windy. I thought that it would do better than the ooh, boy, that doesn't take long. I thought that it would do better than the alcohol stove. Alright, man, that's going to be a lot of ground beef. Hopefully that'll cook down. This is already holy cow, I forgot how hot that thing got. Alright, so I'm going to cook this down, and then we'll come back and check it out. I'm going to take the burger off of the fire, and then I'm going to do the black beans and rice, and we'll put it all together. Okay, while this is cooking, we're going to get the old Bushcraft spice kit out, and I got a bunch of salt and pepper, mixed salt and pepper. Season this up a little bit. Alright, and I got either onion powder or garlic salt. I forgot which one is which. And what it does is it dries out in there, so I gotta do it the hard way. Man, this is this is really dry out. Alright, so we're gonna do it the hard way. Alright, that was either some onion powder or garlic salt. I think that was onion. Alright. And we might as well do the other one. Oh man. Now my hands are greasy. It's hard to go. Alright, so put on some garlic salt. So now we're going to cook that up. Got our seasoning in here, and it is really wheeling. Man, this is starting to brown up. Okay, we'll come back when the ground beef is done. Okay, I think the ground beef is just about done. That looks pretty darn good. So I'm just gonna pour this whole mess into a bowl. I ain't even gonna wash out the canteen cup. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put kind of the sauce and a little bit of water in the canteen cup. And I'm going to see if I can get about a half a cup of these beans. About a half a can, not a half a cup. Alright. That's about a half a can. Yummy. In the nice grease water. This look good. I dropped a couple on the concrete. Get in there. Get in there. Just got a little bit of dirt on it. It's alright. Alright. We'll come back when these are sizzled up, and then we're going to put the rice in. Okay. I kind of brought the black beans up to a boil, and now I'm kind of simmering them for a few minutes, just so that we can get that, turn it down a little bit and simmer them, just so that we can get them beans nice and cooked and all of that liquid nice and hot, so that that rice cooks in a minute. But I just want to let you guys know that it's going to take a little while for my shoulder to get better, but I got some surprises on the way. I got a really, really nice trail camera on the way, and I'm going to set it up out at the oak camp. And I'm going to get some really, really good nature pictures and stuff. And this fall, I am going to start doing some overnights from the oak camp. Wow, that's really, you guys can see that is really boiling. Let's try these black beans. This is like the chipotle. Woo! That's good. So I'm going to do some camp outs at the oak camp, and I'm going to have a lot of trail cam footage from the swamps, just so that you guys can see what I'm dealing with out there. But it's going to be fun this summer, even though it's going to be hot. I think I can handle it. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to actually, because that's boiling pretty good, we're going to take this off, put that out, put that over there. Now, this is a half a cup of minute rice. And put it in that stuff. Now I'm going to snap the lid on, and I'm going to give this about 5 or 10 minutes. Whew, because that is smoking hot. Let that rice get a chance to cook, and then we're going to come back and add the ground beef. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes now. Ow, man, that cup is still really hot. Holy cow. Let's see how our rice is doing. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, man, it's thickening up really nice. Okay, so let's put the ground beef in here. If I can get it out of the bowl. Alright. Man, that's a lot of ground beef for this. I almost just dropped it all. But, you know, I'm like a one-take wonder. Alright, so let's stir this up. This concoction is looking pretty good. Still pretty hot. So I'm going to seal this up for another few minutes and let that ground beef heat back up, and then we'll come back. Alright, that's been sitting for about another 5 minutes or so. Let's see what we got. Ooh, man, this makes almost like 3/4 of a cup. Let's see if the rice is done. Yeah, the rice is really, really good. Alright, let's go up and put the finishing touches on this, and we'll review it. Okay, here we go with our new concoction, Mike's Cuban Surprise. This is nothing but ground beef and rice and black beans, and I cooked the black beans and rice in the black bean juice. So let's give it a little taste. You know, that's pretty darn good, but it's missing something. You all know nothing could ever be complete without our old friend Crystal hot sauce. You all know me, just a drop. Ooh, wow. Helicopter going over. Man, that's good. But I gotta get a little more. Man, I'm running out. All right. So, once again, ground beef, about 3/4 of a cup of black beans, and a half a cup of rice. And I've got like 3/4 of this cup, Canteen Cup, full of black beans and rice and hamburger. Oh man, I can taste the garlic powder, the garlic salt and onion powder, and salt and pepper that I seasoned the ground beef with. The seasoned black beans, oh man, it puts a ton in it. I could definitely taste that hot sauce. And this is a really good one. I'm gonna make this again. Thanks to Mike for, my buddy Mike, for suggesting this recipe. Man, that's really good. Whew. So I'm gonna sit here and get that. See if I can start rehabbing my shoulder. Remember, I'm getting a trail cam, and there's a couple of other things that I got going. We're gonna do a hurricane preparation video because hurricane season is starting June 1st. Everybody needs to be prepared. I don't care if you live in Florida, Louisiana, Texas, you all need to be prepared. So I got some good things on tap for this summer while it's still pretty hot. So, coming to you from my back porch because my shoulder still hurt, with my recipe compliments of my friend Mike. We're going to call this Mike's Cuban Surprise. Once again, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I'll see you on the trail.